I have to give you something. I forgot. I got this for you from where did I go? Himachal. Yeah.
Thank you so much, bro.
Hello, welcome back. Oh no, this is too near, I guess.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Hey guys, welcome back, and we are shooting again with Mayur Saroj Rajput, but this time we thought we'd shoot at home because we're technically not allowed to go out and shoot because of the curfew thing. So we are shooting with
Yo party, what's up? Hi guys, I'm Mayur Rajput and we are shooting at my terrace today क्योंकि बाहर कर्फ्यू और हम लोग बाहर नहीं जा सकते, तो हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि हम लोग सेटअप करते हैं. लुक काफ़ी सिंपल था, तो हमको किसी ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रा बैकग्राउंड की या जगह की ज़्यादा लोकेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं थी. दैट इज़ द रीज़न दिस प्लेन बैकग्राउंड इज़ वर्किंग फॉर अस. द इंटायर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कलर्स आर वेरी नीट, वेरी सटल. इट्स ब्लैक, beige and brown. And the look is also quite easy. I mean, simple. It's very street, and it's sponsored by H&M.
Another thing that I forgot to mention before is that the lenses I'm using today are the Sigma 18 to 35, and I'll be also using the Tokina 11 to 16 mm. The reason I need that wide angle is because I'm shooting full portraits, like we want a full body portrait with him. And my preferred choice for filters today is again the Tiffen Pro Mist filter, because it just helps, man. It just helps. Moving on to the second shoot of our day today, we are shooting inside the house with a studio light and like a tube light that I've had an idea of. I don't know if it will work, but we'll see what we can do with it. Also, I'm gonna add the Dream FX filter by Prism Lens FX on top of the Tiffen Pro Mist filter, because I think the highlights of the accessories will be highlighted by all of this in the current shoot now.
So this is our second change, and we wanted to explore again the studio setup, and you can see what Janak has done here. Amazing lighting and the backdrop.
Yeah, that's a tube light.
Super amazing.
And this is the Godox SL60W. If you can see right there, yeah. And with its Godox softbox.
And that's me again. So this light is one of my favorite because this makes the skin look so smooth, soft, looks amazing. And this one we are trying it for the first time. So about the look,
Bro,
it's completely
$1000 रुपए का light है.
हाँ?
$1000 रुपए का light है. It's like a tube light. It's not even like a professional
लाखों का
photo
लड़का
light.
है हमारा. 1000 की क्या बात कर रहे हो? So the look is a very power look. It's androgynous again. You must have seen even the previous जो vlog था उसमें मैंने androgyny को explore किया था. That's what I stand for. And आज भी वही है. It's a power look which is unisex and it's completely black. And after editing, I'm expecting some amazing monochrome edits, and yeah, that's how it is.
This is the Centerfield Split Diopter FX filter by Prism Lens FX. And this is how it looks like on camera. You can rotate it however you like. So that's it. The tube lights did not work. The tube light did not work out actually, because it was a bit too bright and it's spreading everywhere. Whereas this light was more contained. And I think that's it. We shot 2 looks for today, and yeah, you wanna say something about the shoots of today?
I love Janak Panchal. And I mean guys, this was amazing because कर्फ्यू के कारण काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्टीज आ चुकी है हम लोगों को प्लेसेस को लेके. सो ट्राइंग इंडोर स्पेशली लाइक विद जनक इज़ क्वाइट डिफ़िकल्ट, क्योंकि हम लोग हमेशा आउटडोर शूट किए हैं आज के पहले से. सो दिस वाज चैलेंजिंग येट अमेजिंग बिकॉज दी पिक्चर्स हैव कम अमेजिंग. बहुत ही सुपर्ब है. एंड देन I think you guys are going to love it.
Yeah, especially when we added the last में वो center field split diopter वाला. It really helps in like blurring out everything else except the face and the subject or the subject.
Yeah.
So I think that's it. I'll show you the results after this. See you. Bye bye.
Bye.